Yesterday I was arrested and charged by the Spanish Town Police for malicious communication. Now, as you know, it is a police matter, and so I cannot get into any details because it's a court matter right now. But let me just hasten to say that this communication is without prejudice, meaning anything I say here cannot be used against me on the law without prejudice. And so what I can tell you is that I have no idea what I have been charged for. The only thing I know, the only thing the police tell me is the name of the complainant and the fact that it is malicious communication. Me beg them to tell me what me do. They say they not to tell me that. You know, if I hear something go so, apparently I'm being charged for words that I used. Shouldn't I be told the words that offend the law? They say they don't have to do that, because apparently we are living in a police state now. Apparently this is a communist country now, and so any communication, any audio visual product that the police are alleging that I made, me don't know them know say me make it. Me don't know them. Me don't know them. No say no artificial intelligence. Me don't know them. No say me have anything at all to do with it. But then charge me for it. Me don't know them established me. Oh my Lord, I love these things. I love these things so much. This is my favorite time, when drama is unfolding. But what is important for you to know, all citizens of Jamaica, all law-abiding citizens of Jamaica should know that if you come catch John, a booger your son, and you go on social media and say John is a boogera, John is a pedophile and a boogera, the police can come for you, put on handcuff on you, throw you in a filthy, dirty, nasty jail cell where stink, cause so the jail is staying. Man, all a do I use them do all I wipe their face in jail, you know. Do pan you, poop pan you, everything pan you in jail, you know. Dirty, nasty, chink, all kind of thing. All citizens of Jamaica should be aware that if you see a man a thief your car and you go on social media and say that that man is a thief, the police can come for you under a law, under a very, very stupid, very ambiguous, vague law named the Cyber Crimes Act. Them just pass it with here. Because this is now a communist country. We are living now in Russia or China where when you talk, the police can come for you and throw you in a jail. You never see something, sir? Who no see me die in trial? If you see a man in your ackee tree, if you see Steve up in your ackee tree, a thief, so hacky, and you go on social media and say Steve is a thief, that is degrading Steve. So whether or not you're speaking the truth, it doesn't matter. How absurd and ridiculous. Whether or not you are speaking the truth, it does not matter. The police can come for you, put a handcuff on you, fling you in a jail. You no ever hear something go so? You no didn't know say something go so in a Jamaica, in a democratic Jamaica? Well, for all the people that want to rejoice, because I know say, me a holy haters, you know, which me no mind, me love of haters. All the people out there will rejoice, say 119 got jail, because me chat too much. Me a rejoice more than you. I don't know alone I rejoice. And me a rejoice. Me not stop jumping for joy from yesterday. Because you know when the Lord was on the cross, and the Lord said, forgive them, Lord, because they know not what they have done. As some feel you know. 119 are the wrong smarty. Wrong smarty. Because I am not like the typical Jamaican who said, sure, me can't bother ya. That's not 119. And I am not speaking specifically now about my case. I'm not speaking about this case. I am speaking in general terms. In general, people should know that when they press charges against you and you go to court and the court throw out the case or you win, you can turn around and sue them for everything they own. And if you sue them and they have no assets, whatever they own, you can go after even they close. So when people are going to the police to press charges, you know, be careful. Be very careful, because some of us Jamaicans, we know our rights, we know the laws, we are bright, we have sense, and we are not stupid. And the last policeman who charged me, I never did remember, because they asked me yesterday, they said, if I've ever been charged, and I said no. Let the record show that I am now correcting the record. Yes, I was charged by a police at the 100-man police station. The last policeman who charged me, when we got to court and the court fling out the case, I immediately sued. And I collected an easy $2 million. $2 million I collect in my hand, quick. So Jamaicans should know that you should stand up for your rights. And I, mark it on 10 on the calendar, I-119, I am going to strike down the cybercrimes law. It cannot stand. It is clearly unconstitutional and a breach of the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms. This is what the Charter says. Alright, see it here? This is the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms. See it right there, so? And it says that every Jamaican have the right to freedom of thought, conscience, belief, and observance of political doctrines. Alright, that means. And every Jamaican has the right to freedom of expression. But this part is the part now that is most important. All of us have the right to seek, receive, distribute, or disseminate information, opinions, and ideas through any media. And of course, you know that includes social media. And this is the law, the supreme law of the land. The government can pass no law that abridges or encroaches on these rights unless those provisions are demonstrably justified in a free and democratic society. It cannot be demonstrably justified that if you see Tom a thief something out of your house, you cannot go on social media and say Tom is a thief. Nothing can go so. Not a thing can go so unless we live in a dictatorship. And so the police should know, and I'm not speaking about my case, I'm speaking in general terms now. The police should know that when the police acts recklessly, and when people like me 119 take action, a fool no money, a phone taxpayer dollar have a go in my pocket. And so I'm going to mount a constitutional challenge to this law. And it's going to cost a lot. It's going to take a lot of money. And so I'm going to come back and beg on some money. 119 is going to come and beg for the first time because we don't have to contribute to the 119 legal fund. I will be standing up for every citizen of Jamaica. Every citizen of Jamaica who wants the right to express yourself through any media. I will be standing up for you. And I want you to put one little thing together and ready up for me there when I come. Because I am coming. I am going to fight. 119 is a fighter by nature. And I dare me sit me and me love. Me is not just a mama man, you know. Me is a drama man too. Me is a mama man and a drama man. And me love it drama. Me love it courthouse business. Me love it law business. So when I take on 119, are the ranks one you want to take on? 119.